Hello students, today I will be taking your value education class of class 1. Okay, and today I will start a new chapter, that is, you can see chapter number 8, Minnie's Classroom. Minnie's Classroom. So all of you open page number 53 of your value education book. Okay, you can see in page number 53 there are 4 pictures. Let's discuss these 4 pictures. In the first picture we can see here the boy is saying to the girl, "Let me help you. Let me help you." So here the boy is trying to help the girl, means two students are trying to help each other. The boy is trying to help the girl. That we all of you in your classroom, in this classroom and school, always need to help each other, isn't it? In picture number 2 we can say, "I must raise my hand to answer the question." So whenever you need to answer the question, you need to raise your hands rather than making any noise, isn't it? So here the boy is also doing the same. "I must raise my hand to answer the question." In picture number 3 we are saying that we must decorate the board when it is our turn. So some of the students are decorating the board because it is their turn and they are by turn. Some of the students in one day, some of the students in the other day, they are trying to decorate the board by with paintings or any other things, but that should be clean, isn't it? Clean, not messy one. And in the fourth picture we can see keeping the classroom clean is also a part of discipline, isn't it? So here the girl is sharpening her pencil in a dustbin, and we also throw the garbages in the dustbin and make our classroom and school and everywhere clean. That is also should be our discipline. So from these 4 pictures we come to know that what kind of a discipline we should maintain, and we should be disciplined, isn't it? Now let's move towards the story. Turn to page number 54 and you can see the story there. Let's read it. "Hello, my name is Minnie and this is my classroom. The other students in the class are my classmates, isn't it? There is a chair and a desk for every child. Our teacher sits on the big chair. She also has a big table. We greet her every day, isn't it? Our teacher writes on the blackboard. She checks our work. She loves us and we also love her a lot." So here it is talking about a classroom that teachers also, students also love teachers, and teachers also love their students. Like, we love you and you also love us, isn't it? We keep our books in our desks. Sometimes our teacher displays our drawings on the display board. So like you also, teachers also display some drawings of you in a display board. Like this also. Next page. "We always throw trash in the bin and keep the class neat and clean." Always, you need to also, okay, that we always throw the trash in the bin, means dustbin, and keep the class neat and clean. We do not talk when the teacher is teaching, and you also should not talk when the teacher is teaching. When I forget to take my pencil box, my classmates share their pencils and erasers with me. There also happens in your case also that if you forget something, your students, your friends, your classmates help you, isn't it? When I forget to take my pencil box, my classmates share their pencils and erasers with me. When the teacher asks us a question, we raise our hands and wait for our turn. We do not shout out the answers. So this is the way you need to give your answers, that if you know the answer, just raise your hand, okay, and do not make any noise. When we need to go out, we ask our teacher. When you also need to go out, you should ask your teacher. During recess, I share my lunch with my friends. I love my class and my school. So here Minnie is saying that she loves her class and her school, and I know you are also love your class, school and class, isn't it? Now let's do this is a very good story related to you, isn't it? Now let's do the exercises. page number 55, you can see tick the correct answers. Number 1, the teacher displays our drawings on the where? Option A, display board, or option B, blackboard. Option A, isn't it? Display board, right? Option A, display board. Number 2, while the teacher is teaching, we, option A, should talk, or option B, should not talk. What? Option B, isn't it? Should not talk. Should not talk. Number 3, we can keep the classroom clean by using the, option A, broom, or option B, dustbin. What? Option B, dustbin, isn't it? We can keep the classroom clean by using the, option B, dustbin. Number 4, the other students in the class are our, option A, classmates, or option B, neighbors. What? So, option A is the correct option, that the other students in the class are our, option A, classmates, isn't it? Number 5, if we need to go out of the class, we should, option A, ask the teacher first, or option B, get up and go. What would you do? Option A, isn't it? If we need to go out of the class, we should, option A, ask the teacher first, isn't it? So here also option A is the correct option. Okay. Now turn to the next page, page number 56. You can see these are also some tick the correct answers. Let's do this. Number 1, when the teacher comes into the class, what should you do? Should we do? Option A, stand up and greet her, or option B, keep sitting. What will you do? Option A, isn't it? Stand up and greet her, right? Yeah. Number 2, a classmate does not know the answer to a question. What would you do? Option A, laugh at the student, or option B, help the student after the class. Obviously you should choose option B, that you should help your friend after the class. Help the student, option B, help the student after the class. Number 3, when there is no teacher in the class, how should we behave? Option A, sit quietly in our places, or option B, move around the class and make noise. What we should do? Option A, isn't it? Sit quietly in our places. Okay. Now come to the points that we learned from this chapter. Turn to page number 57. You can see the remember part at the bottom of the page. Let's read these 4 points. Take care of your class as you take care of your home, isn't it? Because school, you can say that from your school you learn so many things. You spend the much time here, isn't it? So take care of your class as you take care of your home, isn't it? Point number 2, share responsibilities with your classmates. So you should share responsibilities with your classmates. Point number 3, help each other in the class. You should always help each other in the class, isn't it? And point number 4, learn, share and have fun in your class. So in class you should learn, share and have fun, isn't it? Having fun means not making lots of noise, that is not. You can talk to each other quietly, silently. If you want to share anything, you can share also. Okay, so keep these 4 points in mind. And from this chapter we come to know we should be disciplined and clean, isn't it? Okay, so the today this chapter is completed. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.